Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox the DroidBox GPD XD Plus. It's a portable console and this will take us to another level. It's compact, it's jam-packed with games, and on top of that you can install your own games. Alright, so you can see that the box is really nicely designed, and once we open it, the console is sitting there, and then it comes with a charging cable. Alright, so putting everything aside, when we take everything out of the box itself, you can see that the console itself is really nicely designed, has a really nice shine on the top of it, and then going in the back part of it you have a few connections, and we will talk about that in a few seconds. But when you go all the way around, it's really nicely set up. When you look on the back part of it also, there is nothing there, but once you open it up is where you're going to get everything that you need to see. So it is 5 inches diagonally and it is touchscreen. Another good thing is all the buttons that you require for you to play with the games are on top of it. Doesn't matter if it is the ALPS, the NDS double numbers, or the OM ROMs, which is in the back part I'm talking. And yes, there is a lot of buttons you can play the games itself, and there is a micro switch for the Japanese version of the OROM, or we call it OM ROM. It is also there for you. The lifespan on this is about 2 million clicks on each of these buttons. Going to the sides of it, you have really cool little parts so that way you can ventilate, and also you can put a little hand holder so this way you're not going to drop it. On top of that, the battery on this is really good too, so it is 6000 milliamps. It is really fast charger with the USB that came with it, and it will hold up to 10 hours of playtime. We really like that, by the way. Going more, we can tell you a little bit about the console itself. It is the MediaTek MT8176 chipset on this. It is architect on ARM set, and on top of that it is 64-bit support. The CPU on this is a hexa-core, so that means it is 2 times of A73 and 4 times of A53 version. On top of that, this is clocked on 2100 megahertz, and the GPU on this is 6250. So it is submitted for Power VR. This is beautiful, by the way, but the GPU is set up on 600 millihertz if you want to know more. If you have any questions about this, please drop it for us. We love to answer you. On top of that, the storage on this is 32 gigabyte of eMMC, and when you go to the RAM part of it, it is set up under dual 4 gigabyte dual band of DDR3. With the expansion slot, which is in the back, you can put up to 128 gigabytes, so that way you can expand the internal storage. The sensors are really good on this too, so when you're playing a game, as you can see it now, it plays it perfectly. Going on the display itself, remember that this one is only 5 inches, so it will only give you up to 720p, which is running roughly about 294 ppi when you're playing with this. When you want to play with the connectivity with the internet on this, it is Wi-Fi, and that is selected for you to play with dual band Wi-Fi, which is 5G, and it will work with single band Wi-Fi, which is 2.4 gigahertz, like charm. On top of that, the display supports Bluetooth 4.1, so if you do have a different type of console setup, or should I say the remotes or the gaming pads, it will work perfectly. If you want to connect the HDMI connection in the back of it, so you can see it on the screen, you can do that too. Or if you want to put the console aside, you want to grab one of your gaming controllers and you want to pair it with this unit itself, it will work like crazy. I am sure you're going to love it. If you want to order one of these, the links will be available in the bottom. On top of that, if you want to get more information for this unit itself from official website, again, link will be available in the bottom of this video. If you have more questions, please don't hesitate, drop it at the bottom of this video too. We don't want to forget to let you know that if you haven't subscribed to us yet, go ahead, click the subscribe button. Also give us a thumbs up, so this way we can bring more these type of videos to you, so you can get more knowledge about these type of devices. Except that, visit our website, make sure to follow us on the social networking places like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and also visit our website, which is exitex.info. And thank you.